Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss an important role in the manufacturing industry, the factory worker, also commonly called a production worker. A factory worker supports the manufacturing process by performing production, assembly, machine operation, material handling, quality checking, packaging, and other tasks according to company procedures. But what exactly does a factory worker do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a factory worker. A factory worker is an employee who performs assigned tasks in a manufacturing or production facility to help produce, assemble, process, inspect, or package products. In simple words, a factory worker helps ensure that production activities are completed safely, efficiently, and according to the required quality standards. The exact duties depend on the factory, product, production process, and job position. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a factory worker. One of the main responsibilities is performing production activities. The worker performs assigned tasks according to production instructions, standard operating procedures, and supervisor directions. Another important responsibility is operating production equipment or machines. Depending on the position, the worker may operate basic machinery or assist machine operators after receiving appropriate training and authorization. Another major duty is assembly work. They may assemble components or parts according to production instructions and required specifications. Another important responsibility is material handling. They may move raw materials, components, finished products, packaging materials, or other items within the production area using approved methods. Another duty is quality checking. Factory workers may visually inspect products or perform basic checks to identify defects, damage, incorrect assembly, or other quality issues. Another important responsibility is packaging products. They may pack, label, seal, sort, and prepare finished products for storage or dispatch. Another duty is maintaining a clean and organized work area. They follow workplace housekeeping procedures and keep their assigned production area clean and organized. Another important responsibility is following safety procedures. They use required personal protective equipment and follow machine safety, workplace safety, and other applicable procedures. Another duty is reporting machine or production problems. If they notice equipment problems, defective products, unsafe conditions, material shortages, or other issues, they report them to the appropriate supervisor. Another important responsibility is meeting production targets. They work according to established production schedules and productivity requirements while maintaining required quality and safety standards. Now let's discuss the daily work of a factory worker. A typical day may begin with reporting to the assigned production area, attending a shift briefing, checking the work instructions, and preparing the required equipment or materials. During the shift, the worker performs production or assembly tasks, operates equipment when authorized, checks product quality, handles materials, and maintains the work area. They may also record production information and report defects, equipment problems, or material shortages to the supervisor. During shift changes, they may communicate important information to the next team according to company procedures. At the end of the shift, they may clean their workstation, complete required records, and hand over pending issues. The exact routine depends on the factory and production process. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a factory worker. The first important skill is basic production knowledge. Workers need to understand their assigned production process and follow instructions correctly. The second important skill is machine or equipment handling, where applicable. Workers should understand how to use assigned equipment safely after receiving proper training. Another important skill is quality awareness. They need to recognize common defects and follow the required quality checking process. Another useful skill is material handling. They should know how to safely handle materials, components, tools, and finished products. Basic communication skills are also important for understanding instructions and reporting problems. Another important skill is attention to detail. Small errors during production or assembly can affect product quality. Time management is also useful for meeting production schedules and completing assigned tasks efficiently. Now, let's discuss the qualities of a good factory worker. A good factory worker should be hardworking, punctual, disciplined, responsible, alert, reliable, safety-conscious, and willing to learn. Another important quality is physical stamina, where the job requires standing, repetitive movement, or other physical activities. Teamwork is also essential because production work is often performed as part of a larger team. Another quality is patience. Some production processes involve repetitive tasks that must be performed consistently and accurately. Attention to detail is important for maintaining product quality. Another important quality is safety awareness. Workers should never ignore safety procedures simply to complete work faster. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the factory and type of production work. Many entry-level factory worker positions may accept candidates with a basic school-level qualification or secondary education, while technical positions may require a diploma or relevant technical training. Some employers provide on-the-job training for production processes and equipment. Basic literacy, communication skills, physical fitness where required, and willingness to work in shifts can be useful. Technical knowledge may be required for specialized machine operation or manufacturing roles. Now, let's look at some common workplaces for factory workers. They can work in automobile factories, food processing plants, pharmaceutical manufacturing, textile factories, electronics manufacturing, packaging units, chemical plants, engineering companies, consumer goods factories, warehouses, and other production facilities. Now, let's discuss the career path of a factory worker. With experience and additional training, a factory worker may progress into positions such as senior production worker, machine operator, production technician, line leader, production supervisor, quality inspector, or production executive, depending on qualifications and experience. Developing skills in machine operation, quality control, technical maintenance, production processes, workplace safety, and team leadership can support career growth. Before applying for a factory worker position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the type of production, shift timings, physical requirements, machine operation responsibilities, safety requirements, work environment, overtime policy, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A factory worker or production worker supports manufacturing through production activities, assembly, machine operation, material handling, quality checking, packaging, housekeeping, safety compliance, and production reporting. Important skills include production knowledge, equipment handling, quality awareness, material handling, communication, attention to detail, and time management. Important qualities include hard work, punctuality, discipline, responsibility, reliability, teamwork, patience, safety awareness, and willingness to learn. For people interested in manufacturing, production, engineering, and industrial operations, a factory worker position can be a good entry point for building practical industry experience. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the factory worker job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.